Hi everybody, welcome back. I'm Disha and I'm here to help you transform your house into a home. Since you all loved the first episode of the House to Home series, here I am with the second episode and I'm sure you're going to love this one too. Also, a part of this video is sponsored by Mangalam Organics, and also you'll get to see my younger sister in this video with her kids. Now let's jump right into the video. Now, what's house and what makes it a home? House is just a residential structure, whereas home is all about family, heirlooms, that special scent of your home, your personality, and lots of memories. Create informal places to make a house a home. Home is not supposed to be immaculate. Concentrate on the comfort of your family. Create informal space devoted to leisure, relaxation, and family togetherness. By informal space, I mean a multifunctional space where adults can unwind and socialize with friends and family, and kids can play games. It should be no stress zone. If you have just one living room, then you will need to work out a good balance between formal living room and informal family room. Don't worry about what people will say. It's your home. You decide how it's going to look like. Smell is humans' most powerful sense. Like human, every home has a peculiar scent. A smell that says a lot about that home. You might have noticed a certain smell in your home when you come back from a vacation. That's the smell of your home, and most of the time it's not very pleasant. You will not notice it if you are long exposed to it due to sensory adaptation. But anyone who visits your home will certainly notice it, and that's going to leave a lasting impression of your home on their mind. That's not the only reason your home should smell good. The sense of smell has great psychological and physiological effects on humans. Good smell certainly lifts your mood, reduces stress, and brings in positive energy in your home. There are so many ways to make your home smell amazing, but not all of them are safe. As we are all aware of the fact that essential oils, aroma candles, air fresheners, and diffusers have harmful chemicals in them that will do more harm than good to your well-being. But today I'm going to show you two products that are 100% pure and organic and don't have any harmful chemicals in them. What you see here are camphor cones. They are filled with organically produced camphor that not only works as an air freshener but also is an effective mosquito repellent. It comes in 7 different fragrances and I'm going to be trying 3 of them: original camphor, sandalwood, and lavender. I wish I could share the divine smell of it with you all, just like the visuals. But anyway, I'm sure you all are going to give it a try as it's natural, free of chemicals, and is so refreshing. It is so convenient to use because of this elastic band. It spreads quickly and masks the various unpleasant odors effectively. Monsoon is just around the corner, so using it in a wardrobe will help absorb the damp smell and preserve the clothes. Another product that I use to make my home smell divine is this 100% pure Mangalam Bhimseni camphor. It's like every evening's ritual in my home to burn camphor. I often burn it to calm my mind and to reduce stress. All I do is just place a small amount of camphor on this electric burner plate and plug it on. Burning camphor in the home has many benefits. The aroma that emanates from camphor is believed to purify the mind and the surrounding atmosphere. It kills microorganisms and germs, and it also repels mosquitoes. The best thing is that aroma fills your home with positive energy and elevates your mood. It doesn't leave any residue and is safe for kids too. I have added all the links to buy these amazing products in the description. Do check them out. You can also visit their website www.houseofmangalam.com and you can use my code DISHAM10 to avail 10% discount. Keeping the memories you cherish closed in storage boxes isn't a good idea. Bring them out and display them proudly in your home. I'm talking about heirlooms. Heirloom pieces aren't just home decor accents, but they also have rich history and stories to tell. Like this silver tea set, which is passed on to me by my parents, and whenever I use it in my decor, it brings back a lot of memories. Mixing and matching heirloom pieces with modern home accents create a timeless interior. Heirlooms add a personal and unique touch to your space. This cane swing chair is not exactly a vintage piece, but it's quite old. My siblings and I have spent our childhood swinging on it, and now it feels so good and nostalgic to see our children create the same lovely memories that they are going to cherish in life. Adding colors to your home is like filling colors in a blank canvas and creating a beautiful piece of art. Hanging artwork is a great way not only to add some colors but a personality to your home. Apart from this, there are so many ways you can add colors to your home, like painting the walls, doors, floors, ceilings, kitchen appliances, or cabinets. Another way to add a punch of color is by soft furnishing, like cushions, curtains, rugs, and table mats. Also, grouping of accessories in matching colors can add impactful splash of colors in your home. Nothing makes a house feel more like a home than creating sweet, bitter memories with family and friends. Once in a while, have your family and friends over for a lunch, dinner, movie, or just a chit chat. The more you laugh, the more happiness enters your house, and the more it is going to feel like a home. That's all for today. I hope you all liked this video. I'll see you soon with a new video. Till then, bye bye. Wish you all love, luck, and sunshine.